Hello to all my viewers. My name is Manish, and welcome to my channel, Reliable Webguy. Today we'll be learning about installing WordPress themes, both free and paid themes, as well as how to install a plugin into your WordPress site. Let's get started. I'm assuming you have installed your WordPress as I have on the screen. First, open up your dashboard. Then, on the left sidebar, look for a menu item called Appearance. Under Appearance, you will find Themes. Click on Themes. Now you will see some of the default themes provided by WordPress. Let's add a new theme from the WordPress repository. Click on Add New. You can see some of the free themes right away. In addition, there is an option to select a theme based on the featured, popular, latest tag on this page. In this video, we will try to install a theme from the search bar. First, type the name of the free theme you liked. Then, you can install the theme by clicking the button Install. Once the theme is installed, Activate button will appear. On click Activate, the theme is set as the active theme. You can check active themes by clicking on the Appearance and Theme. Now you can see which theme is currently set as active. You can select a desired installed theme to an active state by clicking Activate. If you want to install a premium theme, then you will need to click on Add New. Before uploading a premium theme, please make sure you have downloaded the theme from the theme vendor. In this video, I would be installing a premium theme called Be Theme from the ThemeForest platform. I have already downloaded the central parent theme and child theme on my computer. Once you have these required theme files, go to Upload a Theme. Now upload the zipped files by browsing your file location. Always make sure the theme is zipped before upload. You can use zip software like 7-Zip and WinRAR to zip your theme folder. Download links for 7-Zip and WinRAR will appear in the description below. Let me tell you an essential fact about parent theme and child theme. Whenever you buy the theme, ask your theme author if the theme is provided with a child theme or not. A theme can be activated without a child theme, but with a child theme, it creates a layer of protection for your site. Some of the themes have automatic updates. When you try to update main themes files without a child theme, sometimes it wipes all your theme settings. If you have a child theme of the central theme activate, the update will only occur on the parent theme without affecting the site settings. So it is considered important to install an active child theme rather than parent theme. So let me show you how I do active the child theme of Be Theme. Now let us install a plugin on the website. A plugin is considered a unique tool with specific functionality. For example, in this video we would be installing a backup plugin. Same as before, go to the left sidebar and hover on the plugin menu. You will see you add new. Same as how we installed the theme before. You will see a list of popular plugins on the page. Go to search and type Updraft. The one we are looking for is Updraft Plus. Click on Install Now and hit Activate. If you want to learn how to use this backup plugin, you can see a video link on the top of the screen. This is a plugin page where you can see all the installed, active or inactive state plugins. You can deactivate the plugin as well as active and delete any plugin from this page. It is considered a good practice to delete the inactive or unused plugin from the website to protect from the hacker. Therefore, let us delete some of the plugins unused plugins from the site. You can directly delete the plugin by click delete, but it is considered good practice to deactivate the plugin first then delete it. You can delete the plugin individually as well as in bulk. So that's all folks for today. I hope you liked my video and learned something today. For more videos like these, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Good luck on your WordPress journey, and thank you for watching the video.